The materials arriving at Marietta today are not ordinary. They are the classified building blocks of the...
Every titanium billet entering this facility carries a full material traceability certification.
Carbon fiber prepreg must be stored at -10 degrees Fahrenheit until it is ready for layup. At room temperature, the resin begins to cure.
The radar-absorbent materials that give the F-22 its stealth signature are among the most classified manufacturing inputs in the...
These titanium billets will become structural frames, bulkheads, and longerons of the F-22 airframe.
Every material that enters the F-22 program is traceable from the raw ore source through every processing step to its final.
Prepreg must reach room temperature gradually before it can be cut and laid up. The technicians track the thaw time precisely.
When the shift ends, the classified materials are secured, inventoried, and sealed.
Titanium must be heated to precise temperatures before forging. Too cold and it cracks. Too hot and the grain...
Titanium, lighter than steel, stronger than aluminum, and capable of withstanding the thermal extremes of supersonic flight.
The F-22's blended fuselage and wing surface is a single complex aerodynamic geometry.
The grain flow lines visible on this titanium preform are not surface marks. They are the internal crystalline structure of the metal.
Fluorescent penetrant inspection reveals surface defects invisible to the naked eye. Any indication on a primary F-22 structural...
The F-22's leading-edge geometry is one of its classified stealth features. The precision of the machined surface.
From classified billet to formed preform, the titanium keel frame that will carry the structural loads of supersonic flight.
The coordinate measuring machine verifies every critical dimension of the F-22 bulkhead against the classified digital master model.
Controlled cooling of the forged titanium is as important as the forging itself. The rate of cooling determines residual stress levels in the preform.
Each titanium chip that leaves this cutting zone is a gram of material precisely removed by a program written. The machining program running on this screen was generated from a classified digital model of the F-22 and validated through months of cut.
From rough forging to precision component, this F-22 main bulkhead carries the wing attachment loads, engine mount loads, and landing...
Dilution heat treatment and aging transforms the titanium microstructure at the atomic level. This thermal process is what converts a rough forging into air.
The vacuum bag pulls the carbon fiber plies into intimate contact with the mold surface and removes trapped air before autoclave cure.
The Marietta autoclave is one of the largest in the American aerospace industry. It must be. The F-22's composite skin panels span dimensions.
The F-22 thrust vectoring nozzle flaps redirect engine exhaust to provide pitch control at angles of attack where conventional control surfaces lose effectiveness.
The F-22 stealth skin is built one ply at a time by hand. Each layer of carbon fiber prepreg is placed at a...
Precision cleaning removes every trace of cutting fluid, titanium particle, and contamination from F-22 machined components before bonding or assembly.
The Marietta CNC floor machines components for the world's only operational fifth-generation air superiority fighter. The tolerant
investment casting produces F-22 internal structural components with complex geometries that cannot be machined from solid. The wax patterns that
The F-22 titanium frame pockets are machined to leave walls thinner than a credit card, while maintaining the structural stiffness.
The F-22 inlet duct geometry is a classified aerodynamic and stealth design. Its internal surfaces must be machined to precise contours.
Electron beam welding joins F-22 titanium structural members in a vacuum environment that eliminates atmospheric contamination of the weld.
The autoclave applies 100 psi and 350 degrees simultaneously for hours to cure the F-22 stealth composite.
The surface finish of this cured composite panel is measured in microinches. Every surface irregularity scatters radar energy.
The F-22 center fuselage assembly joins titanium frames, composite panels, and aluminum structures into a single load.
Structural adhesive bonding joins composite panels to titanium frames without fasteners in critical areas. The bond transfer.
The F-22 radome is a classified electromagnetic window. It must be transparent to the APG-77.
Every square inch of every F-22 composite panel is ultrasonically scanned for internal defects after cure. The skeleton and skin of the F-22 are joined. the structural airframe that will sustain supersonic flight, violent.
Two Pratt Whitney F119 engines arrive at Marietta, each producing 35,000 pounds of thrust in.
Before installation, each F119 engine is inspected for transit damage. All classified access panels.
Installing an F-119 into the F-22 airframe is a precision operation that requires 3 technicians, an overhead crane.
The F-119 engine mount bolts carry the full thrust load of 35,000 pounds, plus the dynamic loads of 9G combat.
Each thrust vectoring actuator moves nozzle flaps that redirect 35,000 pounds of hot exhaust gas.
The F-22's 2-dimensional thrust vectoring nozzle deflects engine exhaust up to 20 degrees in pitch.
The F-22 carries over 18,000 pounds of internal fuel, enough for a combat mission without external tanks that would come.
The F-22 has 3 independent hydraulic systems, each capable of flying the aircraft alone if the other 2 fail.
The F-22 environmental control system cools the classified avionics, pressurizes the cockpit pit to safe altitude.
70,000 pounds of combined afterburning thrust sit behind the world's most aerodynamically refined stealth airframe.
The F-22 avionics suite is the most classified electronics package on any production aircraft in the world. The technicians work.
This classified avionics module processes sensor data from multiple sources simultaneously and presents the.
The APG-77 AESA radar transmits from thousands of individual transmit-receive modules simultaneously.
The F-22 contains miles of shielded wiring. The shielding is not just electrical protection, it is electromagnetic.
The F-22's electronic warfare suite detects enemy radar emissions from ranges exceeding the radar's own detection range.
The F-22 cockpit is the most advanced in any production fighter. The displays present fused sensor data from radar.
The F-22 data link shares tactical information between Raptors without transmitting a detectable signal.
The F-22's eyes, intelligence, and voice are installed. The most advanced avionics suite ever integrated into a production fighter aircraft is operational. The radar-absorbent material coating applied to the F-22 surface converts incident radar energy into heat rather than reflecting it back to the threat radar.
Full classified systems integration test. The F-22's radar, electronic warfare, data link, and weapons management.
The F-22 helmet cueing system allows the pilot to cue sensors and weapons simply by looking at a target. In a close combat engagement,
the gap between every panel on the F-22 surface is a radar scattering source. Each gap is treated with classified conductive materials.
The F-22 canopy is one piece of blown polycarbonate coated with a classified gold film that reflects enemy radar energy away from the fuselage.
The tactical paint is applied over the classified RAM coating. It must be compatible with the RAM system, durable enough for.
RAM coating thickness is measured at hundreds of points across the F-22 surface. Too thin and it underperforms. Too thick and it adds weight.
Air superiority gray. The F-22's operational color is chosen to minimize visual contrast against sky backgrounds at altitude.
The chine lines and geometric edges of the F-22 are not aesthetic choices. They are electromagnetic engineering decisions.
the F-22 weapons bay doors are coated with RAM on their interior surfaces. When the doors open to release a weapon,
the stealth surface inspection is the most detailed quality process in American aerospace manufacturing. Every square foot of the F-22
Raptor is now electromagnetically invisible. The surface that surrounds this aircraft is the product of decades.
The F-22 carries in symptom and tires its work flying the F-22 and launcher from manufacturer of this.
The F-22's side bays each carry one AM-9X Sidewinder. The bay opens, the missile pivots to the launching.
The M61A2 Vulcan fires 6,000 rounds per minute of 20mm cannon shells. In the F-22,
the weapons bay doors must open fully, the missile must eject, and the doors must close in a precise timed sequence.
the weapons harness carries the classified signals that arm, power, and release the F-22's missiles.
The interior of the F-22 weapons bay is a classified electromagnetic environment. The RAM coating on every internal surface, the geometry of the bay.
The F-15 system and system.
Thank goodness. The weapons-based structure must withstand the shock loads of missile ejection repeated thousands of times over the F-22 service.
From the outside, the armed F-22 looks identical to the unarmed F-22. That is the point. An enemy cannot see the weapons, cannot detect the aircraft.
The Lockheed Martin Marietta final assembly line is one of the most classified manufacturing environments in the United States. Full classified integrated systems test. Every system on the F-22 operates simultaneously, exchanging data through the aircraft's classified digital backbone.
The F-22's dimensional survey verifies the stealth geometry as much as the structural geometry. A surface that is out of position.
The final stealth verification measures the actual radar cross-section of the completed F-22 against the classified specification.
The F-22 cockpit is verified system by system, display by display, switch by switch. The first engine run. The F-119 turbofans spool up to idle for the first time with this airframe. Engine parameters, vibration. The classified final inspection is performed by engineers who have spent their careers building this aircraft. They know what right looks like. They know what close looks like.
The Air Force Acceptance Inspector represents every pilot who will ever fly this aircraft. His signature transfers the F-22 from
complete. Every classified system installed, every stealth surface verified, every dimension confirmed, every test passed. This F-22 Raptor is...
The documentation package for a single F-22 Raptor fills classified binders with every inspection record, every test result.
Doors of the Lockheed Martin Marietta open, and the F-22 Raptor steps into Georgia daylight.
The F-22 pre-flight inspection includes classified stealth surface checks that no other aircraft in the world requires.
Engine 1 start. The Pratt Whitney F119 wakes from silence to full idle power. The sound it makes is classified.
Chocks out, pins out, canopy closing. The F-22 is transitioning from a manufactured object to an operational aircraft.
Full afterburner, 70,000 pounds of thrust accelerate the F-22 to rotation speed in seconds. The aircraft that took years to build.
Supercruise. Mach 1.5 without afterburner. Only the F-22 can sustain supersonic flight on military power alone.